Hey, are you looking for some new breakfast ideas? Try this French toast with strawberries, or a chocolate rice cake, or a tofu scramble and sweet plantain. Let's jump right in. So first you're going to need a bowl just so you can mix everything together. I use oat milk, about half a cup, I want to say, because I like to gauge it because sometimes I don't know how much of the French toast I'm going to make. You also want to use some flour. I like to use gluten-free flour, some flaxseed, but this is the flaxseed meal, and cinnamon. And you just want to make sure when you apply the flour that you put enough. I put two tablespoons. And then you just want to whisk everything together and give it a nice stir. You don't want it to be too thick, but you don't also want it to be too liquidy. So just do it at your own pace and I'm sure you'll be fine. I also added some cane sugar just to give it some sweetness. Mix, 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 mix. And then I'm going to be using this loaf of bread, and this is by Nature's Promise Freeform, and this is the white bread. And I used to make French toast with big sourdough bread, but I didn't have none at the time. So I just wanted to make you guys aware that you can use regular sliced bread in your house. Very simple. Heat up some butter, get everything nice and bubbly. Flip on the other side, and there you have it. It's all ready, and just continue to do it with the next few slices. And I did 3, and then I added some strawberries and agave dressing. A next quick meal is a chocolate rice cake, and this is 100% whole grains. I like to add the SoDelicious coconut yogurt on top along with some bananas. So you want to make sure that you stir the yogurt really, really well because it can get a little, I guess, displaced sometimes in a container. So you want to make sure that it's nice and thick when you're putting it on your rice cake. Slice some bananas, yummy, yummy, yummy. And I added some dried coconut flakes and some chia seeds to top it off. And usually I will have either some tea with this or a smoothie on the side, and that will be my breakfast. Next up, we're going to have a tofu scramble with some sweet plantains. I like to use the frozen sweet plantains by the Goya brand. It's very convenient because they're frozen. Just add it to the pan with some oil. Let that scissor up on both sides. I like it to be dark, but as you can see, you have to play around with it and put it on different angles and things like that, depending on what type of pan you have. Then I went in with some vegan sausage and yellow bell pepper with this Greek salad dressing seasoning. There's just a bunch of herbs. I really like this brand. Mix everything together, add your tofu. And tofu is one of those things that it doesn't have any taste, so you add flavor to it. So I usually use the Nutritional yeast for that cheesy flavor. I just add salt, black pepper, and paprika mixed in with the vegan sausage and peppers, and then it's so good together because all the flavorings of the sausage is coated. And then I added some avocado, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and come back for more videos.